Christ, I have been rambling for the past 30 minutes and it wasn't even recording. Like, I didn't even press play. Hey love, my name is Olaedo and you are welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my very first YouTube video and I do not have the slightest idea of what I'm doing. Like, if at any point it begins to look like I know what I'm doing, it is a lie, a huge lie. I do not know what the fuck I'm doing. Like, in fact, I'm freaking out right now, but I am going to do it anyways. I'm gonna do it anyways, you know. So I've been saying forever that I wanted to start a YouTube channel. In fact, my friends are probably tired of hearing me say it, but I mean, anyways, this is me starting officially, you know. I'm super excited. I'm so shy. All right. Let's get into it. So, in this video, I'm gonna just go ahead and introduce myself, you know, just the basics, get to know me kind of stuff. And again, you're welcome. So my name is Kaya Destin Chisom. I'm gonna spell it somewhere. But yeah, my name is Kaya Destin Chisom. My friends call me Olaedo or D. I'm 24. I'm an interior architect, a travel blogger, a tour curator, and a tour guide. It's a lot, but it's not really a lot. Yeah, so I love travel and I love architecture and interior architecture especially, and landscaping. I studied architecture in the University of Nigeria in Nsukka. I got a diploma from Maven Institute of Interior Design, and I am currently serving in Abuja. Yeah, I'm a copper. I am currently serving in Abuja, and so far Abuja has been awesome. It's been beautiful. It's been blessings upon blessings, and I'm grateful. So I created my YouTube channel because I felt on Instagram I'm too serious, like too proper and prim. I had to plan my outfits, I had to plan the frames, you know, make sure everything suits everything. I was just too, you know, serious and very organized on Instagram. So YouTube is supposed to be a place where I can, you know, be free. I can make mistakes. I can learn, unlearn, you know, do things that I would probably not be judged for. I'm hoping. So YouTube is supposed to be my safe space, a place where I can feel forward, a place where, you know, I can be me, relaxed, very chilled, proper, you know, and all that. So that's what YouTube is. I intend to be my goofy self here. I intend to share my highs as well as my lows, you know, learn together, cry together. Or there will be a lot of crying on this channel. I hope not though. I do not look pretty when I'm crying. But yes, that's what I intended my YouTube channel to be, you know, in my 24 years of being a human being. I have learned stuff, so hopefully I can share it. The mistakes that I have made, I can also share it so that people coming up don't get to make the mistakes that I have, or some of the mistakes that I have made. There'll be a lot of traveling here, you get, because I love traveling, and I love exploring. Me encouraging you to find that beautiful place in your backyard, telling you places that you probably didn't know existed, you know, and helping you plan your trips to different places, and basically general stuff. So basically what we'll be sharing here is my journey, you know. Hopefully I can teach one or two things, you know, things that I love doing: video editing, picture editing, travel photography, interior design, you know, beautiful stuff. There'll be a whole bunch of things that hopefully I can, you know, share with you, and you get to learn something from my life. We're going to be definitely doing a lot of traveling here, like a lot of traveling. You know, I love traveling, and I've never really had the time to really explore, had the time and the money to explore. You know, but because of NYSC and all of that, you know, but I'm hoping we'll do all of that in this channel, go places. I'm super excited. So again, welcome to my YouTube channel. Feel free to call me Olaedo or D, you know, and I hope you do stay. Oh my god, I forgot. Please click on the subscribe button. I like this video because please click on the subscribe button and like this video. Yeah. Thank you.